धारिणे महावदन्याय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नामिने गौरतिशे नमः। ये कृष्णा करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगत्पते गोपेश गोपिका कांता राधा कांता नमोस्तुते। तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्येव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्त वृंदा। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। Once again, I welcome all of you. Let me know if you are able to see my screen. You are able to see my screen?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Okay. Just give me a second. This is not moving. Yeah. Okay. So last first week, I just quick recap for those who have not attended, as well as just to recap. We have seen Prabhupada is how it is documented in the scriptures, especially we saw from Nalayana Divya Prabandham. Then we have seen from the conversation between the rivers, Ganges and other rivers, how they are very much worried when Krishna is leaving. Whom do they take shelter? Then Krishna says, "Don't worry, my Senadipati Bhakta will come." And also we have seen quotation from Chaitanya Bhagavat, where his prediction of this spreading of holy name is predicted, and we know that it is Prabhupada who has spread all over the world. So, and second thing, we have seen it, how much is the struggle he has done in 11 years. He traveled around the globe 14 times. He established 108 temples. He wrote 147 volume of books. He made more than 10,000 disciples and whatnot. He traveled from capital of devotion from Vrindavan to capital of degradation, a Bohri place called Bohri in US. Very degraded places. He converted hippies into happies. Then we see in his childhood how he was very much inclined towards deity worship, having his own personal deity, conducting his own Ratha Yatra. Then we seen his biography, as well as we have seen his college or this Govinda Bhavan where he used to live with his father, and we also went to his birthplace. And quickly we saw how he was. Childhood days, how he was, his father was always thinking about him, how to bring him as a nice devotee rather than a materialistic person. So Prabhupada learned everything from his father. So we have just seen many diseases Prabhupada got, how they overcome by chanting the holy name and depending on the Lord. That's what we saw last week. Now, this week, we are going to see about his college, marriage life, and his first job, how he's starting his life. Okay, so okay, this is the recap. Okay, now a quick recap of Ratha Yatra festival. I could not able to speak little detail. Probably I just show you a clip of 2 minutes so that you can understand. This is taken from Abhay Charan, a series of movie taken by ISKCON devotees. It's a very nice one. You can also watch this and let me know if you are able to hear audio. If there is any problem, do let me know. Um, are you able to hear now and see video?
अरे अरे क्या हुआ क्या हुआ क्या हुआ अरे
अरे
क्या हुआ
अरे अरे नहीं नहीं इसमें नहीं चढ़ना।
Are you able to see the video and sound? Hello.
Yeah, Prabhuji, able to. Yeah, able to hear, Prabhuji.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Smell.
मुझे रहते हैं
ये रथ बेटा, ये रथ इतना भारी है कि तुमसे हिलेगा भी नहीं। इसको खींचने के लिए बहुत सारे लोगों की जरूरत होती है।
मुझे रथ चाहिए।
अब है, ये भगवान जी का रथ है, ये यही रहता है। चलो अम्मा सोना पापा घर चलेंगे, घर चलेंगे। चलो अब है।
घर चलो, मैं अपने हाथों से तुम्हें ऐसा रथ बना के दूंगा। तुम्हें अपने छोटे छोटे हाथों से इसको खींच लेना। देखा, इसको अपन ऐसे लगाते हैं, ऐसे। अब ये यहाँ, ये हो गया तुम लोगों का रथ तैयार।
रथ तैयार हो गया, जल्दी आओ।
हाँ आ रही है, अभी आ रही है।
देखा, माँ भी आ गई। ओहो, भौतनी भी है। भौतनी आई तुम्हारा रथ देखने। लाओ लाओ।
कितना अच्छा रथ है अब है।
जाती हो सकती बेटा?
देखो
लाओ लाओ।
देखो बाबू तेरी।
ऐसे है ना? अब अपन इनको ये देखो, इनको यहाँ रख देते हैं, इनको यहाँ और इनको यहाँ।
माँ मुझे दो ना।
अच्छा समझ गया।
अब ये फूल भी सजा दो। ये देखो, ऐसे ऐसे। लो लो, तुम भी सजा, तुम भी सजा। अच्छी तरह फूल सजा, ऐसे ऐसे सजा, सजा।
So like this, Prabhupada, when he was young child, he was crying. Actually, in fact, he did not get a cart. So he was crying. Then this one lady passed by. They said, I will give. And some of them his father made himself and gave. And it has become a so big festival that his friends started calling him. I heard that you had a big Rath Yatra festival. You didn't invite us. He thought, no, it is child play. But Prabhupada led the entire stuff. He made sure that everybody cooks Bhoga for Lord Jagannath. He kirtan he did. He conducted as if it is a big festival, like everybody elders will do. At the age of 4 or 5, he conducted such a big Rath Yatra, playing Mridanga, Kirtan, how it was done professionally in the Puri, similar like that. He, then immediately neighbors, they saw, okay, oh, Rath Yatra, Lord is here, let me cook. And they had a very 3-4 days of festivity. And also we know the second Leela where Prabhupada was fell sick. The doctor advised he has to take chicken soup, otherwise he will not survive. But his father did not agree. But his boss, his father, family doctor, physician, and friend, he suggested, let me cook him in a house. If you don't want to cook, that's okay. But otherwise, he will not survive. When they're trying to feed him the chicken soup, he vomited and he did not take it inside. His father said, let him die if you want to die, but I will surrender unto Radha Govinda. He placed him in front of him, he gave Charnamrit. And Prabhupada drank this Charnamrit and he survived. From the beginning childhood, he exhibited following 4 regulative principles. A small clip from that.
हाँ जोर से पकड़ना। हाँ अभय, अभय देखो मुंह खोलो। अगर अभय सुना बाबा, देखो अगर तुम पियोगे नहीं तो ठीक कैसे होगे? हाँ जरा सा पी लो, सिर्फ 1 चम्मच, 1 चम्मच। हाँ मुंह खोलो, मुंह। अगर पियोगे नहीं तो ठीक कैसे होगे? अभय थोड़ा सा लो। हाँ हाँ ये गुड गुड गुड। गिरा दिया ना तुमने?
बस 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 करो ये सब, हटाओ ये सब, हट जाओ और जबरदस्ती मत करो इसके साथ।
क्या कर रहे हैं हम? अरे बाबू ये क्या हो रहा है?
ईश्वरः परमः कृष्णः सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहः अनादिर्गोविन्दः सर्वकारणकारणम्।
So that's how his father had faith on Lord, and right from childhood he's been taught depend on the holy name or chanting of the holy name Charanamrita. Once he was ill, also his mother chanted the Mahamantra. Once he got watermelon seeder, you remember, he was afraid that tree will grow like any other child. Then his mother told, "I'm chanting the mantra now, the seed will not grow." So like that, from the childhood, Prabhupada was always Krishna consciousness. Now, in this episode 2, we're going to see how he was involved in the during that time, 90s, 1920s, 1930s. Prabhupada was born in 1894, 96. So he kind of, during that movement, what was happening in around the India at that time, he was born. So we will see how it is, how is happening from political activities to spiritual activities, activist in the next session. But he is more involved in the political and his college days. That's what we're going to see today. Very interesting. Okay, so this is chapter 2, college, marriage, and Gandhi's movement. So this Prabhupada writes, I joined Gandhi's movement in 1920 and gave up my education. Although I had passed my final examination BA, I gave it up and did not appear Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada was uniquely, that time what's happening is, so during the our India freedom fight, if we can make it as a three category. One category is that 1920s non-cooperation movement was started. So Gandhi said, boycott all the cloths, all the boycott the degree, whatever Britishers are giving. So they started, people are following it, boycotting. That's where Kadar, Kadar Gandhi started the Khadi shirts and things like that. People started weaving their own. So that's a non-cooperation movement was happening it. Okay, and the 1930s, the civil disobedience movement started. The 1940 Quit India movement. After that, we got freedom. So what Britishers were doing it is they buy our cheap raw material, whatever required for clothing. Then they will export it to London in the factories. They make a shirt and they sell it back to India with high price. So they take all the raw material very cheap and they take it to England. In this mill, they spin it and they bring it here and they sell it for high price. And also India was supporting in the World War One, 1940s, literally started, and 4 5 years India started. So they also want to give something, but they were depressing India on financially a lot of things. So they were trying to crooked way manage our India financial system so that we would not grow. What they do is that there are a lot of handlooms that time. India, there are a lot of weavers. They do very good saris and all. These Britishers, they went each and every house of the weavers. They cut the thumb of the people so that they cannot produce any local dresses. So they have to depend on Britishers only. So they tried all the possible combinations of, suppressing the India. All this freedom struggle had happened. So Prabhupada was entering into the college 1916. So that's the time this non-cooperation movement, boycotting degree and cloth were happening. So Prabhupada was thinking, his friends, all the friends, college were, in fact, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was 1 year senior in the same college. So Prabhupada he used to lecture Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose in the college underground. He used to conduct secret meetings and things like that, and people would go and attend. But Prabhupada was always interested in Mahatma Gandhiji. So we will see more of how he was interested in this today's topic, how he was following Gandhi. But what he did is unique thing is everybody was boycotting the cloth, the degree and all. But Prabhupada studied the degree, but at the final year when the ceremony was happening, degree convocation, he rejected his BA saying, I don't want it. That's why he protested to, for the freedom fight in unique way. So we will going to see all those wonderful sessions where how this Indian movement was happening, how he was trying to always still this turmoil was happening, how he was always focused on God consciousness or Krishna consciousness. That's a topic for today. So his father, as I mentioned, from the childhood, he doesn't want him to become a big lawyer, go to London and study, but rather he wants to make a pure Vaishnava. He decided, my son, he needs to learn Mridanga, he should learn Kirtan, he should learn Bhajan, he should nicely receive guests, he should know how prayer Srimad Bhagavatam is father is pakka from the childhood. See, this is one thing we can learn from practical application. Our kids, we need to learn them samskaras, especially the shlokas or Bhagavatam, Bhagavad Gita. They have tremendous capacity. At the age between 5 to 11 or 12, they can learn uh, thousands of slokas. Don't underestimate them. Just by hearing, they don't need to read. See, most of the time, they just by hearing it, they will memorize all the shloka. So that is the age when you want to make your child have basics, samskaras, you want to teach them something. If you miss the boat, it is very difficult after 11 or 12. Any kids you want to bring up, it is between that 4 to 7, 11 years, whatever you mold, they will remain for lifelong. So that's the where we have to teach a lot of shlokas, samskaras, pujas, whatever we want to teach. So Prabhupada was exactly brought up like that. Gaur Mohan, they had a perfect thing. So that time there was no qualified gurus. Some gurus used to come, used to invite them, but they are all not very good characters. Otherwise, he didn't mind his son to become a brahmachari and serve the plan. But he wanted him to get married as a normal grahastha and continue to be a devotee of Radharani. So just a small clip again. I'm going to show entire day a small 2 minutes clip so that visually when you see it, it will go into your head, and also it's nice thing to watch. I'm going to show quick clip, 1 minute clip on how his father is feeling about his career plan.
To London and become a very big lawyer. But I don't think you share the same opinion as me.
You don't seem to have any idea, Rajni. What plans I have.
Yes, I know it all. I know everything.
500 रुपए दे
You
रहे
want to make him a pandit, teach him
Sorry?
Sanskrit, Mridang,
हेलमेट
Kirtan.
कौन पे रेडी
Sorry, can you please go on mute? Thank you.
Look, that's all very nice, but you can't live on these alone. When he has a family, what will he do? How will he take care of them? I have already decided. I'll see to it Abhay becomes a lawyer. A big lawyer.
If he becomes a lawyer, he has to study law. He has to go to court and plead cases. He has to prove a lie to be truth and a truth to be a lie, and thus he will waste his life. I have a different vision of Abhay's future, where there is no fear or lies, only truth. I would like him to learn the law of the Supreme Lord, which is useful now as well as after, which would bestow him the honor and happiness in this life and even after this life. You'll see, Rajni, my Abhay will become such a devout devotee of Krishna that everyone will bow at his feet. My only prayer to Lord Shri Krishna is that he should find a bona fide spiritual master, a guru, whose teachings and guidance will make Abhay a true servant of Shri Krishna, a true devotee indeed.
Okay. So we can see from this episode that his father had clear cut what he wants to do with this son, because we go abroad, what if he gets spoiled, he breaks all the regulative principles. So he want to become a you want to make him a good child. So samskara, see, there is nothing wrong against education or something, but the current modern education, what it is more of avidya, I would say, in sense there is no God conscious. They don't teach about values of life. So, and additionally, in case whatever situation is there, as a parent, we should ensure them they go additionally to any other. Like there are a lot of kids program happening. There are the temple is gone. Practically, there are a lot of programs happening. Or you put them into Bhagavad Gita course, recitation. It is our responsible to teach them some culture or values. That way, they become a very good citizenship in the future, as well as it's benefit for them their life. So the next is the college life. Srila Prabhupada respected his professors as a father. They had a very good relations, and sometimes they used to joke around with because they're all Britishers. They're all like a missionary, so you have to read Bhagavad Gita there. They'll teach Sanskrit also, socio-politicals and another thing. But still, they would teach them some. Bible as well and English like that. So Prabhupada used to go and study in the normal like any other kid. He would go and study. So then in the college days, there was one famous director of theater drama in Bengal, Amit Lal Bose. So he wanted to teach some values in the system of the kids. So he told Abe and made his group of his classmates to perform the drama of Lord Chaitanya, because there is already a professional drama available. If you pay 50 paise, you can go and watch this drama in the theater. But he said, why you are asking us to do? He said, you become life perfect. Now you keep on practicing this for a year, and I want to put it to the drama so that you get benefit basically. So you want to train up the boys in Chaitanya Charitamrita. So Prabhupada is to organize, and he performed such a wonderful enact on that day, and people started crying, applauding, because that's a practice, that's a love with even though it is an amateur team who did this drama, and people were really happy. So this is a small clip from his college life, just to get to what's happening around that life. I just give a 1 minute or 2 minute video so that you can just visualize what's happening in the college. Just give me a second. I think internet is slow. Just give me a second.
तो कैसा लगा फिर?
मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है कि गांधी जी और सुभाष बाबू में इतना ही अंतर है कि गांधी जी भगवत गीता से प्रेरणा लेते हैं और सुभाष बाबू की प्रेरणा है महाभारत।
मुझे तो सुभाष बाबू ने पहली ही मीटिंग में अपना भक्त बना लिया है।
क्या बात। पर इतना याद रखना, हमारे देश को ब्लाइंड फॉलोअर्स की जरूरत नहीं है।
बिल्कुल। मुझे तो सारे अंग्रेज दो मुंह वाले सब लगते हैं। इनका कुछ पता ही नहीं है कब किधर से काट खाएं।
सारे अंग्रेज एक जैसे नहीं होते।
सॉरी सर।
कोई बात नहीं।
अरे कमाल है यार, मुझे तो पता ही नहीं था प्रोफेसर आर्कट हमारी भाषा भी जानते हैं।
भाषा ही नहीं, प्रोफेसर आर्कट हमारे हिस्ट्री और कल्चर के भी अच्छे जानकार हैं। वैसे भी किसी जाति में हर कोई जल्लाद नहीं होता। पर यह दूसरी बात है कि कुछ जल्लाद हर जाति में होते हैं।
पर हमारे लिए तो अंग्रेज जल्लाद ही है।
हमारी लड़ाई सरकार से है, हर अंग्रेज से नहीं। तुमने मिस्टर ह्यूम का नाम सुना है?
हाँ।
उन्होंने हमारी नेशनल कांग्रेस की बुनियाद रखी है।
कभी कभी लाइब्रेरी जाकर ना अखबार भी पढ़ लिया करो भैया।
हाँ, नहीं तो इसी तरह अगर दोस्ती और दुश्मनी के मेडल्स बांटते रहोगे तो पता भी नहीं चलेगा कौन सा मेडल कौन सा दुश्मन ले उड़ा है।
चलो, इंग्लिश लिटरेचर की घंटी बज गई। अब जाकर अभय की प्रिय कवि किक्स की कविताएं पढ़नी है।
ये अंग्रेजी कविताएं तो मेरे सिर के ऊपर से।
Okay, so this is that Arcot. We have seen the professor who also knows local language. So he's like a fatherly church. They were very friendly with people. Prabhupada was really happy to study under them, and they were very good, by heart, and they were taught a lot of values. That's what Prabhupada climbs on that is Leelamrita. And once his college life is over, he didn't had much time for his personal deity worship. He used to initially, when he was childhood, his father would have given Radha Krishna deities, but he occupied with most of the activities happening. The Subhash Chandra Bose is preaching in his college. He's a senior. He's fond of seeing Gandhi. He's follower of Gandhi. He was trying to understand what Gandhi is doing it. So this college life is becoming busy. Then he had one day a dream. So he forgot about the small deities, Radha Krishna deities, when he was young, 4 to 5 years old. His father gave him as a personal deity to worship. Since he's gone to college and he didn't had much time, he just put it under rest. He closed it in the box and he forgot about it. And the Lordship came in the dream, and they reminded of him his assignment. So this is a wonderful video clip to look at how he's constantly always remembered Krishna.
हाँ भाई, अब बताओ हम तुम्हारे लिए क्या लाए?
अब बताओ बाबा तुम्हारे लिए क्या लाए हैं?
सोचो सोचो, सोच के बताओ।
बाबा क्या लाए हैं?
राधा गोविंदा।
चलो बाबा।
ये देख, बिल्कुल ठीक कहा तुमने। ये देख,
ये गुड्डा गुड्डी का खेल नहीं है बाबा, ये तो स्वयं श्री कृष्णा और राधा रानी है ना?
अब मैं तुम्हें सिखाऊंगा कि इनकी सेवा कैसे करते हैं।
So similarly, what the lessons we can learn from this is that and we can also have personal photos or pictures, DTs. Even for the kids, we can allow them small DTs or toys to have them establish the relationship. Yesterday, I was doing this program of Nama Chintamani. So the entire purpose of human life is to have established connection, partnership with Krishna. There is nothing else. Sambandha Abhideya Prayojana. The Sambandha is that I am always servant of the Lord and I need to be serving the Lord. So that kind of knowledge we can simply imbibe into the children's knowledge by just giving, adopting like this. So they can have established a relationship with personal deities or any other deities nearby temple. They can establish a relationship by going daily to the temple. When I was saying, then they always, my parents insist that you go to the temple, Ganesha temple, and come. After that only you'll have food or something like that. So it's always a best practice when they get up, they worship them, they pray to them, they have that relationship, establish that relationship. This will long lasting. This is like, very, very important in the life. Even after married, we might have a partner, but there is a third partner who is Krishna, who is going to be eternally available for us on the all the circumstances to support. So establishing this relationship is very, very important. So Prabhupada always had this Radha Govinda deity, who is favorite deity from the beginning, and he sometime in between he for when he could not able to worship them, but he started the deities came in his dream, and he always guided by Radha Krishna right from childhood to the end, right? So they were always there, and whenever he has a problem, he had a heart attack in the Jaladuda, and Krishna personally came to protect him. So we can see from this pure Vaishnava's life that the Lordship's always constantly guiding him. So now coming to the college part of it, attracted to Gandhi, and you always compared. When you've seen the previous video of there was Subhash Chandra Bose, as well as there are some followers in his college, as well as Gandhi. So Prabhupada always called, I'm attracted to Gandhi because he always carries Bhagavad Gita. He always readily reads Krishna's holy words and spokes being Gita. And he's also followed the four habits, regulative principles: no intoxication, no meat eating, no illicit sex, no gambling. Gandhi was a pure habits that attracted him very much. Um, so like that, then he tried to follow Gandhi, and that's where non-cooperative movement and Quit India movement, all those things he participated. Now what's happening is his proposal for marriage, which is coming up. So Gaur Mohan had many friends in Calcutta. Those days, what happens is there is boys and girls, they would get engaged, those days. Now it is 18 and above, but previously before 18, they come 11, 12. Sometime, Rajani, his mother Prabhupada, his sister was got into 11 or 12, and she insisted that she should get married, otherwise she'll commit suicide like that. So those days, it's very culture that the boys and girls they would get married, but they don't go to the husband house. The girl, she would wait and she would mature, she would learn all those things. Once they are physically ready, then they go to their husband's house, or the husband goes to the wife's place or something like that. But they would get at young age, so that the mind is already tied up to the particular person, so they don't need to think about various other things. So they have the, they're fixed in their life. So like that, which was happening, but Prabhupada was not really happy at all to get married at this time, because he's still studying in the college third year. His father insisted that he should get married, and Prabhupada was not at all happy for this proposal. And he told his father, he had an argument with his father, but he said, you take up this, because anybody who wants to get married, they have to get married now. So it's a better time to do that. And so this is a small clip from his conversation in the college between his friends about the marriage.
अभय अभय किसी बात से परेशान हो?
नहीं तो।
सच कह रहे हो? फिर चेहरा क्यों उतरा हुआ है? ताजा ताजा तुमने फुटबॉल मैच जिताया है, अभी अभी कॉलेज के हीरो बने हो। तुम्हें तो इस समय दुनिया का सबसे खुश आदमी होना चाहिए। आखिर मामला क्या है, बताओ ना।
वो मेरे बाबा है ना, वो मेरी शादी दत्त बाबू की बेटी के साथ करना चाहते हैं।
तो
मैं शादी नहीं करना चाहता अभी।
अभी नहीं या कभी नहीं?
अभी नहीं।
ओ, तो तुमने अपने बाबा को बताया इस बारे में?
ना, उन्होंने तो पहले से दत्त घराने में मेरी शादी जल्दी से जल्दी करवाने का पक्का फैसला कर लिया।
और तुम उनका दिल दुखाना नहीं चाहते, यही ना?
रुपेन बाबा एकदम शास्त्रों के साथ चलते हैं, और वो इस मामले में मेरी एक नहीं सुनेंगे। बहुत पक्के हैं। दत्त लोग जोर लगा रहे हैं कि लड़की के सयाने होने से पहले ही विवाह हो जाना चाहिए, इसलिए बाबा भी।
देखो अबे, मुझे तो लगता है कि तुम्हें इस मामले में उनसे बात कर लेनी चाहिए। चलो।
अभय चरण, हालांकि तुम्हारे पिताजी ने मुझसे कहा था कि तुम उनके बात कभी नहीं टलते।
So from this episode, we know that Prabhupada is getting as early as when he was third year degree, he was doing it to Radharani Datta, daughter of Swarna Malik family associated with Mullits. So he gets married. Then the college was happening. Colleges was over. Then he was kind of he had a plan from the childhood. So whenever his father used to talk about Jagannath Rath Yatra, he had a dream that I want to go one day to Puri. So when he was childhood, when he was going to the school, he would go to the railway station and he would check when is the train is going, what is the timetable. He will always used to note. Then after this college of fourth year, before the results were announced, he had a holiday. So that's the time he thought, okay, let me go to Puri and meet, have darshan of Lord Jagannath, because he's always fond of going there. So later we see that Prabhupada, there is a wonderful pastime. We will be reading it next time, but I'll tell you shortly. When he was in America, there is one Mataji brought a small Jagannath deity, and he showed, and as soon as he saw the deity, he paid obeisances. That lady did not understand because they are foreigner. They don't know why Prabhupada is doing. Then he said, this is Lord Jagannath. So from the childhood, he had so much affection for Lord Jagannath, and he established all over the world Rath Yatra to happen. Otherwise, it's only in Puri and nowhere else. He revolutionized this entire Rath Yatra festival. You can see now ISKCON, there are so many Rath Yatra, so many festivals are happening. Generally, the significance of Jagannath is that now we go to the temple to have darshan, but Jagannath thought, okay, these people are not coming and they're not coming to my sea temple. Let me go out every year. At least once he comes out to give the mercy. So Krishna is so much, what to say, how much karuna he has. He said, people are not coming to see me. There are so many fallen conditioned souls who never come to my temple by anyhow. Let me go out. When he goes out, anybody who sees the Divya form of Lord, when at the time of death, he will remember. Anybody has pulled the ratha in his once in lifetime, Jagannath would remind them at the time of death, oh, you pulled my rath, then he would come in front of your mind. Then, you will go back to Godhead. So such a, he want a mercy, he want to show the mercy, to all of them. Such a wonderful Jagannath Krishna is showing. So Prabhupada heard about many things about Puri, Jagannath. He wants to conduct this Ratha Yatra for many ISKCON temples, which he did later. So he had the dream, he had the vision that other kids were, they're trying to go out, chill out somewhere, Shimla and other places. But Prabhupada, when he was asked, Prabhupada said, I want to go to Vrindavan. I want to go to Jagannath Puri or Vrindavan. And he was always checking how much is the fare. He would collect all this pocket money to go there, and then he goes there. Is one of his father's friend in his house. He stays there. So what's happening that when he went to Puri, the person who stayed in his house, the friend of his father, used to eat meat. Prabhupada was really angry. How can you Vaishnava? How can you eat non-vegetarian? Then he never took any food in their house. Then later they cooked neatly. Then Prabhupada took it. So then there is a lot of pandas in Puri. They will disturb him initially. Then after that he goes one of the pandas and understands complete Leela of Jagannath. How he becomes from Daru Brahman, how he is manifested in this material world. To quickly tell you a story, there was a Neela Madhav. There was a Neela Madhav Vigraha, which was in Orissa. So that time there is one Shabara community. He used to worship those deities in secretly. Some of the king came to know that there is one community who is worshipping this Radha Neel Madhav, who is Sakshat incarnation of Krishna. So Vishwabhasu, his name is Vishwabhasu. Then he sends his mantri, Vidyapati. He says, go and find out where is this Vishwabhasu. I've been told there is a Neela Madhav deities are there which has been worshipped. So he goes and comes to this family, this forest dweller, where the community. Then he finds that this fellow Vishwabhasu goes every day in the morning 10 to 12. We don't know where he goes and comes out. Then one time Vidyapati is staying in his house. He asks his doctor, where is your father going? Surprised. It's very secret. He never tells anyone. But when he comes back, he has a lot of scent, perfume, nice garland is bringing. What is that? And she said, I'm not supposed to tell this truth, but I'm telling you the secret because he goes and worships Neela Madhav. Then Vidyapati comes to know about it. Then he directly goes and reports to the king. Then king, along with his soldiers, he comes to that place. By the time they come, the Vigraha, it will vanish. Then later, the Vigraha speaks that I will manifest in this Kali Yuga or in this Yuga, Daru Brahman. There is a log of wood will come in the sea ocean. Then that log of wood will be, you can carve them into deities. That's how the Jagannath came into existence. So he was hearing all those leelas, pastimes of in the Jagannath Puri, which he had a wonderful time. So there's a small clip on how the way to travel, how Prabhupada is traveling to Puri. Just a small clip.
Jai Jagannath, Jai Jagannath, Jai Jagannath, Swami Jai Jagannath, Jai Jagannath, Jai Jagannath, Jai Jagannath, Swami Jai Jagannath.
जानते हो रुपेन, मैं बचपन में ट्रेन के टाइम टेबल भी पढ़ा करता था और अब वहां जाने का मौका आ गया तो मैं तो जगन्नाथपुरी ही जाऊंगा।
खुश रहो, वहां संभल कर रहना बेटा, तीर्थों में भी ठग होते हैं।
ठीक है बाबा।
हाँ, पहली बार अकेले जा रहे हो ना, तो चिंता कुछ ज्यादा ही हो रही है।
बाबा आप ही कहा करते हैं ना कि भगवान श्री कृष्ण के भक्त कभी अकेले नहीं रहते।
बाप हूं ना, और फिर बुढ़ा भी होता जा रहा हूं, अपना सिखा है वो भूल जाता हूं। रेलगाड़ी में ठीक से बैठना।
जी।
लो, तुम्हारी ट्रेन भी आ गई।
ठीक है बाबा।
हाँ?
अच्छा, चलता हूँ।
हाँ। रेलगाड़ी में संभल कर बैठना।
हाँ बाबा।
और बेटा खिड़की से दूर रहना।
ठीक है बाबा।
हाँ?
हाँ।
और जहां बैठो संदूक वहीं रख लेना बेटा।
ठीक है बाबा।
ठीक है, ख्याल रखना अपना।
नमस्ते।
कहिए, किससे मिलना है आपको?
मैं अभय हूं, गौर मोहन दे का लड़का।
गौर मोहन का लड़का?
अरे अरे सुनती हो, देखो कौन आया है।
कौन है?
So that's a pastime I was telling when he converted there also to follow vegetarianism, and Prabhupada had spoken there. A lot of pastime happens there in the temple. He speaks to the panda. Now the famous part of it today, the highlight of today's chapter is that how Prabhupada was boycotting his degree. So he studied, but finally he refused to take his degree. Instead of boycotting the college, he got the education and from the Scottish Church, but as Gandhi requested non-cooperation movement, he just left his diploma. Please, a small clip from that, then we can see the rest of things.
भगाएंगे नहीं, ये डर नहीं है। मैं डर नहीं रहा हूं गोपीनाथ, और ऐसा भी नहीं कि मुझे अपने देश से प्यार नहीं है। फर्क इतना है कि हमारे रास्ते अलग है। पर तुम देख लेना गोपीनाथ, तुम देख लेना, एक दिन सही समय आने पर मैं इन अंग्रेजों को अपने ढंग से जवाब दूंगा। आओ अब चले, सुबह होते ही घर चले जाना। मैं डर नहीं रहा हूं गोपीनाथ, और ऐसा भी नहीं कि मुझे अपने देश से प्यार नहीं है। फर्क इतना है।
Okay, so Prabhupada, like that, he showed his Gandhi follower. He did not go to the convocation actually, and he wouldn't get his degree. Now, what should be done? Now he's not got the degree. He has to do some profession. So his uncle Karthik Chandra Bose, intimate friend of his family doctor, he had a pharmacist. So he had his own business growing, but there is no person who can help him out. So he goes and talks to Prabhupada. Prabhupada said, "No, I am uncle. I don't know anything on the pharmaceutical. So there's a laboratory where they manufacture the drugs as well as they treat the people." So he said, "No, you manage my Calcutta business, soaps and other drugs. That will be very nice." but he had a problem because he didn't know he doesn't know the business, but he doesn't want to do any work under under anybody. Prabhupada, right from the beginning, he had that vision that he wants to start his own business. Then he told his uncle, why you are thinking you're working for me? You think that is your company, and you are the manager. I'll directly give you a manager position, and as well as when business grows, I'll give you a lot of franchise and other places which you can manage. Let us do this. And he requests Prabhupada to join his company. And he had a lot of tough time when he initially joined the members of the particular company, because he was very young and straightforward, and they did not like his straightforwardness. They used to complain a lot. They not used to get along with him. But Prabhupada showed his humility and Vaishnava qualities, parental affection, the affection towards the elders, and the way they handled it, they liked it very much. And Prabhupada, after that he starts. That's where he takes his business. And later, if we from next chapter, we see that how Prabhupada is growing his business. He met his guru, and after that he goes to Mumbai, Allahabad, various other places to establish all his branches of pharmaceutical company. And Prabhupada, till the end of his family life, just before getting retired, he used to always run this pharmaceutical business. A small clip from that again, how the Bose uncle is trying to convince Srila Prabhupada to take up his business, and Prabhupada is agreeing to take up his this pharmaceutical business, which is his first job after the college.
अभय चिरण हाँ अरे भाई अभय
हाँ मिल जाएगा
अभय
हाँ जी
अरे तारो वास्तव कोई आयो भाया
अरे डॉक्टर काका आप नमस्कार
नमस्कार नमस्कार खुश रहो
कहिए कैसे आना हुआ
मुझे तुमसे कुछ जरूरी बातें करनी है
हाँ कहिए
पर बेटा कहीं बैठ के
हाँ हाँ क्यों नहीं आइए
हाँ धन्यवाद
आइए काका आइए
हाँ। देखो बेटा तुमको तो मालूम है कि मेरी उम्र के साथ साथ मेरा कारोबार भी बढ़ता जा रहा है मुझे एक ऐसे इंसान की जरूरत है जो मेरा कारोबार देख सके
जी मैं समझा नहीं
मेरी और मेरी कंपनी को एक ऐसे इंसान की जरूरत है जो अपना भी हो और काबिल भी और वो दोनों गुण तुम में पर्याप्त है
काका मैं तो आपके कारोबार के बारे में कुछ भी नहीं जानता
वो मुझ पे छोड़ दो वो मैं तुम्हें सिखा दूंगा आज से तुम बोस एडवर्टाइज के मैनेजर
काका धन्यवाद आपने मुझे इस काबिल समझा लेकिन काका मैं क्षमा चाहता हूं मैं नौकरी नहीं करना चाहता
ये तो अपने घर की बात है तुम इसे नौकरी क्यों समझते हो
काका मैं किसी के पाबंद नहीं होना चाहता मैं अपने कारोबार में खुश हूं
बेटा भाई ये निर्णय तुम इतनी जल्दी मत लो कुछ समय लो सोचो और फिर जवाब दो मुझे और मेरे लैबोरेटरी को तुम जैसे इंसान की जरूरत है मैं तो चलता हूं लेकिन तुम्हारा इंतजार करूंगा मैं गौरमोहन बाबू नमस्कार
अरे बोस बाबू नमस्कार यहाँ कैसे
तुम्हारी दुकान गया था बंद देखी तो समझ गया तुम यही मिलोगे
अच्छा अच्छा बैठो बैठने का समय तो है ना
क्यों शर्मिंदा कर रहे हो गौरमोहन बाबू मैं तो तुम्हीं से मिलने आया
चलो हमारी याद तो आई कहो मैं क्या कर सकता हूं
छोटा सा काम है बस अभय को मनाना है
अभय को मनाना है
तुम तो जानते हो कि मेरा कारोबार इतना बढ़ गया है कि संभालना मुश्किल हो गया है मुझे एक भरोसे का आदमी चाहिए जो अपना हो गौरमोहन बाबू मैं चाहता हूं कि अभय मेरे लैबोरेटरी में मैनेजर का काम करे
बोस बाबू अभय और मैनेजर संभाल पाएगा
वो मुझ पे छोड़ दो बस तुम अभय को मना लो गौरमोहन बाबू उसमें मेरा ही नहीं अभय का भी फायदा है उसकी जिंदगी बन जाएगी और 4 पैसे कमा भी लेगा
बोस बाबू, आप अभय से बात कर लेते।
मैंने बात की है।
Okay. So that's pretty much for this week. And Prabhupada joins his uncle's business, pharmaceutical company. Then he starts his business. So the next week topic going to be how he meets his spiritual master first, Multa Tanga Road, and how from there how he converts from spiritualist, from the nationalist or the political activist to the spiritual activist. Prabhupada completely transform his track, changes his track from all these political movements, what our college things are happening, and dedicated to this movement where he meets his guru first time. In the next week episode, we will see, and we'll see a brief history of Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur, who is he, and who is his father was, so that we can also get to know about the Guru Parampara. Then how he met his guru, how he got his first instruction, then further how he takes it forward his business, and he moves to Allahabad. Prabhupada moves to Allahabad, and he gets his son and things like that. That's what we would be seeing next week. I would like to stop here for any questions or comments. Hare Krishna. So initially I'm going slow. I thought of doing 2 chapters today, but I thought I'll go a little slow. Then probably once we pick up the speed, then we will do 2 chapters in a week. But right now I'm doing 1 chapter per week. So next week probably I will try to combine many chapters, 1 or 2. If this space and video is okay, I'll go in this format. If not, I can read many from. Hare Krishna, any comments? Also, this are YouTube available. Abhay Charan series. You can search for Abhay Charan Hindi. It is some of them English not available, but some of them might be available in English. You can see Abhay Charan. It's a wonderful video taken by one of the ISKCON sannyasi. It's a very wonderful life history of Srila Prabhupada. There are a lot of many things which I will not be covering in the presentation. So if you have time, if you want to read, you can watch along with your family. That will be wonderful. There are a lot of other episodes which we will not be covering, especially Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur. We'll be primarily focusing on Prabhupada. So that way, what happens is you can watch this video to understand more life history. So we just covered childhood, we covered the marriage, then he meets his guru. That's chapter 3, and chapter 4 is how shall I serve you. So how he wants to serve his guru, and he takes up a more preaching mission in Gaudiya Sampradaya. So that's where we would cover next week, chapter 3 and 4. So any questions so far? So we have about 36 in the first volume. I'm planning to cover this first volume. If you stick with me, then we can complete this in 16 or 17 weeks, like that. So I'll try to combine wherever there is a big chapter, I'll do it in a single day. If there is a small chapter, then I'll combine into 2 so that we understand this story. Hare Krishna.
ಗಾಂಧಿ ಜೊತೆಯಿಂದ ಅವರು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರ ಪ್ರಭುಜಿ ಅವರು?
ಗಾಂಧಿ ಜೊತೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರು. ಗಾಂಧಿ ಜೊತೆ ಅವ್ರು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಗಾಂಧಿನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಅವ್ರ ಗುರುಗಳ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಗುರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ ಪೊಲಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಇಂದ, ಈ ಫ್ರೀಡಮ್ ಫೈಟ್ ಇಂದ ಅದು ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರತ್ತೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ನಾಳೆ ಯಾರೋ ಒಬ್ರು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಕಾನ್ಶಿಯಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಫೋಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಕಾನ್ಶಿಯಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅವರು ಗುರುಗಳು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಪ್ರೀಚಿಂಗ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ ಕಟ್ಸೋದು, ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅವ್ರ ಗುರುಗಳಿಗೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ವಾಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ರೀಚಿಂಗ್, ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್, ಮ್ಯಾಗಝಿನ್, ಆ ಥರ ಬರೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಈ ಇವೆಂಟು US ಅಮೆರಿಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಥಾಪಕಾಚಾರ್ಯ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಗಾಂಧಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಲೆಟರ್ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು. ನೀವು ಈ ತರ ಡಿವೋಟಿ ಆಗಿ ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ನಿಮಗೆ ಡೆತ್ಸ್ ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ನೀವು ಆ ಥರ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಿಡಿಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪ್ರಭುಪಾದ ಅವ್ರ ಲೆಟರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಅವರು ಗಾಂಧಿ ಸಾಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಒಂದ್ ತಿಂಗಳ ಮುಂಚೆ ಲೆಟರ್ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ರು ಗಾಂಧಿಗೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ, ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಹರೇ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಜಪ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಅವರು ಲೆಟರ್ ಬರೆದ್ರು. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ನ ಯಾರೋ ಸಾಯಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ರು. ಅವರು ಪ್ರಭುಪಾದ್ ಅವರು, ಗಾಂಧಿ ಅವರು ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ರಭುಪಾದ್ ಅವರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಪೊಲಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಅವ್ರಲ್ಲೂ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಲಾಲ್ ಬಹದ್ದೂರ್ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೆಹರು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಹರು ಅವರು ಇವ್ರ ಅಂಗಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಔಷಧಿ ತಗೋರು. ಇವ್ರ ಫಾರ್ಮಾಸ್ಯೂಟಿಕಲ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಇದೆ. ನೆಹರು ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಬಂದು ಇವರು ಅಂಗಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲಹಾಬಾದ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಡಿಸನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋರು. ಸೊ ಪೊಲಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಫ್ಲೂಯೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಪ್ರಭುಪಾದ್ ಅವರು. ಯಾವತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಚಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಇಂದಿರಾ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಲೆಟರ್ ಬರೆದ್ರು. ಇಂದಿರಾ ಗಾಂಧಿ, ಗಾಂಧಿ, ನೆಹರು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಅವರು ಪರಿಚಯ ಇದೆ. ಅವರು ಲೆಟರ್ ಬರಿತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಬಟ್ ಅವರು ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಆ ರೀತಿ ಸುಭಾಷ್ ಚಂದ್ರ ಬೋಸ್ ಅವ್ರ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಸೀನಿಯರ್, ಒಂದೇ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಿರೋದು ಅವರಿಬ್ರು.
ಓ ಹರೇ ಕೃಷ್ಣ. ಸರಿ ಪ್ರಭುಜಿ, ಆಯ್ತು. ಸರಿ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಪ್ರಭುಜಿ.
ಸೊ ನಾನು ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, ಕೆಲವುದು ನೀವು ಓದಬಹುದಂದ್ರೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ವೇದಾಭ್ಯಾಸ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಪ್ರಭುಪಾದ್ ಅವ್ರ ಲೀಲೆಗಳು ಓದ್ಬೋದು. ನಾನು ಸಾರಾಂಶ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಯಾವ್ದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಹೈಲೈಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ನಾನು ಹಿಂದಿಲಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಸರಿ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಪ್ರಭುಜಿ.
Hare Krishna. If there are no questions, I would like to stop. Thank you so much. Purnima, Bindu, Deepa, Gayatri Mataji, Lalita Mataji, Lata Mataji, Madhuri Mataji, Mageshwari, Namita, Pooja, Rahul, Ramani Mataji, Shobana, Sushila, Vidyanathan Prabhu. Thank you so much. Today I don't have any quiz. If you want to have quiz, then next week onwards I can organize. Let me know. But this will be the pattern going forward.
Prabhuji, on this Hare Krishna television, this series is coming, Prabhuji, every day, 30 minutes, both in English and Hindi they are showing, Prabhuji. 8 o'clock and 9:30.
Okay, very nice.
It's quite in the beginning stage only, like towards just I think he has become adolescent. From that it is going on.
Okay. Yeah, it's also available in YouTube Hindi. Somebody wants to watch, they can watch this. Okay, if there is no questions, I'd like to stop here. Thank you very much.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.